Your legacy CRM and ERP systems were built for stability, managing the steady, predictable data flow required to keep mid-market operations running. But AI introduces an explosive volume of data into these legacy channels, a sudden surge the original infrastructure was never designed to process. When the system stalls or dashboards fail to update, the immediate reflex is to blame the IT department. Executives assume the software is obsolete and start looking for an expensive new platform to replace it. Blaming the technology misses the point. The pipes are holding, but the internal framework for making choices within them has reached its capacity. This is a failure of your decision architecture. To fix the misalignment, most companies call in a global enterprise consulting firm. Those firms prioritize their billion-dollar accounts. For a mid-market company, discovery and onboarding stretch to month 8 before you receive actionable answers. While you wait, your operational data loses its predictive value, meaning you train your AI on a company that no longer exists. Meanwhile, your competitors are likely moving faster. While your leadership sits in a discovery phase, other firms are already compounding efficiency gains by deploying models against their real-time data. In an AI-driven market, an 8-month delay is more than a missed window. It is the permanent loss of the intelligence needed to compete. The SARSAD Mastermind session replaces that 8-month cycle with a single day of focused discipline. There are no vendor pitches and no disruptive tech overhauls. We start with a closed-door working breakfast. This is a session for executives only, designed to strip away the noise of the AI hype and establish exactly where the organization stands today. Every AI initiative is run through a strict filter. We categorize each as a go, pause, or stop. By forcing these choices early, we push distractions off the table, clearing the pilot purgatory, preventing real operational growth. Shifting the focus from what AI can do to what the business will do creates an immediate alignment that usually takes months to achieve. During lunch, the conversation moves from high-level opportunity to the hard reality of your operations. We map the morning's decisions directly against your existing IT systems and known operational bottlenecks. We look for the path of least resistance between your data and your goals. The goal is a practical redirection of your current workflows. We identify how to make your legacy systems support new AI capabilities without the need for an expensive or disruptive infrastructure rebuild. This ensures AI serves the business model you've already built, rather than forcing your team to change how they operate to accommodate a new tool. In the afternoon, the focus shifts to risk. We audit your committed plans for algorithm bias, data exposure, and security vulnerabilities. Attaching a specific named exposure to every path replaces vague hesitation with a defined risk profile. Instead of worrying about unknown errors, the leadership team identifies exactly which trade-offs they are willing to accept to achieve a result. Every idea is continuously tested against the KISS filter. We look for interoperability, scalability, and sustainability to ensure the strategy can hold up long after the session ends. Naming these risks and applying strict non-technical filters is what transforms a speculative AI project into a defensible strategic decision. The architect is Asif Haider, a 10-year Air Force veteran with a top-secret clearance. He operates with the discipline of high-stakes, low-error environments. His experience includes advising the highest levels of the federal government, including CENTCOM and Air Mobility Command, on the responsible rollout of complex technology. Because he does not take commissions from software vendors, his advisory is entirely neutral. His only loyalty is to the mission and the efficiency of your organization. This military-grade rigor is the specific antidote needed to cut through the vendor-driven confusion that stalls most mid-market AI adoptions. By the final hour, the leadership team is completely aligned. The internal disagreements that have slowed progress for months are resolved in a single room. You walk out with a prioritized 90-day execution roadmap. It defines exactly what happens next and who is accountable, leaving no room for ambiguity. A single wrong AI decision can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars in wasted budget and lost time. This session is designed to prevent those six-figure mistakes before they happen. This session removes the guesswork from your AI budget. You leave the room with a defensible strategy that prioritizes capital based on operational evidence rather than vendor promises. It is time to stop exploring AI and start deciding how to use it.